Hey guys, welcome back again to this another video. It's your boy Chaps Pants. Sorry guys for the background noise. Welcome back again. And today we shall be talking about 15 profitable businesses you can start up here in Uganda. These are businesses which you can do. It doesn't matter how much money, how much capital you have, but these businesses you can start them and they can evolve or they can grow into something big. So today is what we shall be discussing about. So these are the top businesses that you can start up here in Uganda come 2022. Even you can start now 2021, but we shall be talking about these businesses and giving some examples. The first one on the list is selling second-hand clothes. So this is among the business ideas in Uganda that most Ugandans fear venturing into. However, second-hand clothes business is booming, and if you are looking for a business to start, this would be one of a kind. So you can start this business with around 300 Uganda shillings. Then you need to know where to get these second-hand clothes, and you need to get a good location, a good place where you can be selling these clothes. So if you look for a good place, then you'll be able to make your money. And another thing, you can be going to different markets, then you can also be able to make some money and to make more profits from this type of business. So another business we are going to talk about is salon. Salon business is also a good business. Well, some people may underestimate it. This business is also good, and it's not for the uneducated. Some people pretend to say that this one is for those who didn't go to school, it's for those dropouts. No, no. This one is also a good business. So if you get a good place and you build your customers, then you'll be able to get like around 20,000 to 40,000 per day. Even you can get 50,000 depending on which season. So this one you can start a gent salon first, because this one is doesn't need a lot of capital. So if you have more money, then you can go ahead and add in to make it unisex. So this one is also a very good business, salon business. It's a good idea. You can start a salon, then buy those equipments. You can buy the machines, mirror, arrange the place, things like that. Then you'll be able to work and make some money from it. So another thing which I'll talk about is the boda business. The boda business. This one is one of the good businesses here in Uganda that young people are especially venturing into. So if you can ride a motorcycle, if you are still looking for another job, this one is also a good job. You can start this business. You can get a second-hand motorcycle in good condition starting from 2.5 m, 4M, 3M, even less than that, depending on which place and depending where you are. Then you can be able to start your boda business. You can make it a standard one whereby you can book your clients, you give them your number, you can make some business cards. They can make you business cards at around 20,000 to 50,000 Uganda shillings. Then you can be giving those business cards. Then you get your customers. You can be writing them on a timetable. So boda is also one of a kind business which can help you to make some amount of money. So consider boda business. You can also get it on a loan. If you don't have any capital, then you can get it on a loan. Another business we shall talk about is the mobile money business. So I've talked about it several times, so today it is also among the 15 businesses that you can start up. So for mobile money, even if it is overcrowded now, you can see very many mobile money agents, but still you are rest assured you'll be able to make some money. So you always need around 3M to be successful in this business if you don't have SIM cards. But if you already have SIM cards, 1.5 you can start off, and even below that money you can start off depending on the area where you are. The more transactions you make, the more money you get, because this one is a commission based. That's how it is paid. So opening up a mobile money business, you need few things, very few things. So you can find a good table and a plastic chair, an umbrella, then you're ready to start working. So this one goes to people who have some space. This one will go to number 5, poultry farming. This one is another business in Uganda that you can start with little capital and you talk out experience. Being a poultry farmer is also a very good idea and a very good business. Instead of keeping on any room you're not using, any space around your place, then you can go ahead to keep them inside that place. Then you can put for them food, then you start with those ones, either layers, broilers, anything you like, then you can go ahead. Then another thing, this business on the list is number 6. So this one is printing and photocopying business. So this one you need to be having around 2M. Then look for places where there are schools. The schools, though they are at the moment they are closed, but you can also look for where there is a hospital or government offices, then you'll be able to do photocopying and printing for these people. So another thing on this one, you have to be having your around 2M, then you can buy a small printer, a computer, laptop, and other things, then you'll be able to start up your business. So another business on the list is boiled eggs, samosas, sausages, chapati. So if you can do these things from home, then you can get your small boys and you employ them to vendor them for you. They can go moving around, they'll be able to sell for you these things, then you share the profits, or you make an agreement on how to share those profits. So this one is also another kind of a business. So number 8 on the list is manicure and pedicure business. The truth here in Uganda, most ladies like to look smart and beautiful. So if you start this business, look for a place around town, then you'll be able to carry out these services and you'll be able to make some money, because ladies like spending. You'll be able to get that money from them. So another business you can think about is car wash business. If you can get a place around town or in the outskirts of town, you can be able to arrange there your washing bay, then you'll be able to gather vehicles, then you'll be doing the washing and you'll be able to earn some money. Another thing is movie shop. This is one of the top businesses you can start. So here you only need a computer or a laptop, then you can start banning or sending movies, songs to people on their memory cards, flash disks and phones. So this one is also another type of business which you can consider into. Another thing you can go into is the cleaning service business, whereby you can start up with some equipments, you get your cleaning things, then you can go make some adverts on radio stations that you have a cleaning service. Then you'll be able to move around house to house companies doing the cleaning, then you'll be able to get paid. So these are ideas whereby you can also make research and see how you can figure them out to start up these things. You can make these ones also to be big businesses, depending on the amount of money, the amount of capital you have. The capital you have gives you what to do. So all these ideas, you can frame them, put them into practice, then you'll be able to start up something for yourself and you'll not regret it. So another thing which we're going to talk about on the list is selling ice cream. So if you can be able to make ice cream, then you can also go ahead and buy those buckets, buy the machine. If you don't have the machine, you can do with handmade, then you will be able to make some money also from this kind of business. So another business on the list is juice blending and fruits. So here you can only buy your blender and buy fruits, then look for a place in town, lay your table, then start doing different types of juice. Then people will be able to drink these juices, then you'll be able to make some good money from such things. So another thing on the list is selling women handbags. Selling women handbags. So another thing on the list is selling women handbags. You can go and look for handbags, and you can also advertise on Facebook, WhatsApp. Then people will be able to buy from you. Your fellow friends, you start with your fellow friends, then you can build your business like that. Then you'll be able to push on like that. So another thing on the list, cereal businesses. So you can buy these ones. Then you start also distributing. If you have some money, you can buy like Sim millet, those types. Then after, you can also distribute them, or you can also sell like that. So these are some of the businesses which I wanted to talk with you today. I just wanted to be brief so that you can get something from this video. Kindly share with your friends so that they can also benefit. Yeah, so these are the businesses which I wanted to talk about. Selling women bags, juice blending, selling ice cream, cleaning service business, movie shop, that's the music and other things. Then we also had the car wash business, manchu and pedichu. Then we also had boiled eggs, chapati, things like that. Then we also talked about the printing and photocopying business. This was number 6 on the list. And then we also had poultry farming. Then we also had mobile money business. Then we also talked about border business, saloon or barber shop, and we also talked about selling second-hand clothes. So among the how many were they? So these were 15 businesses. Among the 15 businesses, you can't fail to get a business at least. Even if you don't get one, we still have more ideas, more businesses coming on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe, like our videos so that you don't miss out on any our videos which we do upload. So that you can also benefit, you can also get ideas, and you can also share with your friends. So thank you for watching once again. I'll leave you for now. Peace.